Good evening, everybody. You can see our reporter there, Lauren Edwards, is bundled up today. That would have not been the case yesterday. We had temperatures around 50, 52 degrees across Battle Creek, but temperatures have dropped a little bit, and they're going to be cooling off even more as we head on through the week. Good evening, everybody. You can still see some twilight left out there. These days continue to get longer. I think sunset today was 5:58. Tomorrow it's 6 o'clock. So we're gaining about 2 or 3 minutes of daylight each and every day. That's always nice. That is a sign of things to come. Cooler temperatures this week, back down to around 30 degrees. Probably for the rest of this week. Snow arrives in a little more than 24 hours from now, probably about 28 to 30 hours from now. We're thinking about 1 to 3 inches in most areas. If you're further south and east of Grand Rapids, could be on the order of about 3, maybe 4 inches. That's where the higher amounts would be. Most of our live Doppler radar doesn't have a whole lot going on. This snow is not part of the system that's going to be coming in here tomorrow. This is just some flake and flurry activity over the southern portion of Lake Michigan that may lift off into our area from Grand Rapids southward. Don't be surprised this evening if we catch a flake or flurry, but that's all it's going to be pretty much here. Our current temperatures range from 28 up there in Big Rapids to 34 in Grand Rapids to 35 in Kalamazoo and Three Rivers. We pull out to a wider perspective. Look at the colder air that's off here to the north and west. We're in the teens and 20s. The warmer air, remember this wedge of warmer air was up here yesterday? Yeah, that's being shoved down to the south and east now. Louisville, Kentucky, Charleston, West Virginia, still hanging on to temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, but that's going to continue to be pressing off to the south and east as well. There's a lot of moisture down here to our south. All that green is rain. On the north side of it, where the cooler air is, there's, of course, some light snow showers, flakes and flurries. Our system is going to be coming out of the southern plains, so this is going to develop, pick up more moisture, and then come our way in about another 24 to 28 hours from now, and that's what we're going to be looking at for accumulating snow. Our forecast for tonight, I think we thin some of the cloud cover out, especially from Grand Rapids northward. We'll call it variably cloudy. Cooler temperatures, instead of being around the 30, 32 degree mark, we head down about 22 degrees for the overnight low. We'll have a north to northeast wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what the weather map looks like at 9 p.m. There's high pressure sitting out here. That'll kind of roll overhead. That may help to thin some of the cloud cover out. So by tomorrow morning, I would hope that we would get into a little bit of sunshine the first part of the day. That high moves into Canada. That will open the door for the clouds to thicken up. This is at 6 p.m. Notice the day tomorrow, your morning commute tomorrow and your evening commute tomorrow, no problem there. But the snow is going to be developing as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday. Here's the forecast model here. This one I think is a little slow. There's a few different models that we can show, but what I want to point out here is as we go through Thursday, there's the real push of snow. I also think it's a little slow to start, and it's a little late to get rid of it. This is at 6 p.m. on Thursday. It's still got snow across the area. I think it's going to come in and start to get cranking up as we head Wednesday night and through about the first part of Thursday. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, this is what we're thinking. The lightest amounts of snow will be in this lighter area north and west of Grand Rapids, probably only about an inch or less there. Most of us pick up about 1 to 3 inches. And if you're further to the south and east here, maybe on the order of about 3 or 4 inches over towards south and east of Lansing, over towards Ann Arbor and the Detroit area. That's where we would expect the highest amounts of snow. Again, not a huge system, but certainly enough to impact your Thursday morning commute and perhaps even your Thursday evening commute, as we were talking about yesterday. So watch out for that. We're about 30 degrees tomorrow, a little bit of sunshine early. Otherwise, the clouds thicken up. Night snow develops. That goes into Thursday, 31 degrees there, 30 on Friday with a few light snow showers, flakes and flurries, 31 on Saturday. That looks dry. And then we're in the mid to upper 30s on Sunday and Monday. Breezy conditions, chance for some light snow or rain showers during that time frame. But the thing that'll slow you down will as we get into, again, Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. So watch out for that. More weather coming up in the 6:30 half hour. Derek, Janice?